dey watch una.
So K1 the ultimate don turn airport to concert stage. Man stand for tarmac, block plane wey wan comot. For Aviation Act, e clear that one na act of terror. But my people, if you be APC padi, be like say law go just dey greet you, bros alpha, instead of to arrest you. Na so we dey see am. If another passenger try am, na kirikiri straight. But Kwan1 na handshake and smile with 6 months flying ban wey no carry water. This one don pass VIP treatment. Na VVIP immunity. Meanwhile, our timeline full with Big Brother Naija drama. People dey vote who go comot from house like say na national election. Imagine if we gather our PVC as we dey take gather our favorite housemate. Chai, info no fit for our mandate like that for 2023. But priorities dey upside down as we purport the bond. We dey argue who kiss who for TV. Make we remember say no be every corn wey sweet good for body. Dem dey try smuggle GMO crops enter our land. E go spoil our health, our farmers, our future. Reject am. And for 2027, my people, shine your eyes, protect your votes like say your life depend on am. No allow anybody repeat the daylight trouble wey happen for 2023. Now we get the country. We be them.
If you no laugh, you go learn.